Welcome to this 5-minute grounding exercise. Let's begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Closing your eyes now or lowering your gaze toward the floor in front of you. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then slowly exhale. Feel the air moving through your nose or mouth, and as you breathe out, let go of any tension. Focus your attention on your body. Notice the weight of your body on the chair or floor. Feel the contact points where your body touches the surface beneath you. Be aware of any sensations like warmth, pressure, or tingling. Shift your attention now to the sounds around you. Don't try to identify or judge these sounds. Just notice them. Listen to the distant sounds. Then gradually bring your attention to closer sounds, like your own breathing. Place your hands now on your thighs or knees. Notice the texture beneath your fingertips. Is it smooth or rough? Warm or cool? Focus on these sensations, grounding yourself in the present moment. Return your focus to your breath now. Inhale deeply for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 4. And exhale slowly for a count of 4. Feel your chest and belly rise and fall with each breath. Think of one thing you're grateful for right now. It could be as simple as this moment of peace. Embrace this feeling of gratitude, letting it fill your heart and mind. Quickly scan your body now, from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or relaxation. Don't try to change anything, just observe. If you find tension, imagine your breath flowing into and relaxing that area. Start to bring your awareness back to the room. Notice the air on your skin, the sounds in the room, and the surface beneath you. Take one more deep breath, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes if they were closed. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch if you need to. And when you feel ready, rise from your seated position. Bring your palms together at heart center and gently bow and acknowledge this gift you've given to your mind, your body, and your spirit today. Namaste.